Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, Easter is coming up and I know everyone is in their house and they can't go out to buy their hot cross buns. But don't worry, I got you guys. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make your hot cross buns right at home. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Cooking with Afton, alright? So let me just show you my ingredients. Okay guys, so here's my ingredients for my hot cross buns. We have some salt here, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, essence, sugar, some raisin, yeast, milk, egg, and some oil. And this is my flour here. So the first thing you're going to do is pour your yeast into your milk. So this is my milk here, so I'm going to pour my yeast into the milk. Okay guys, so this is my flour now. So you're going to mix all your dry ingredients. First you're going to put in your salt, your nutmeg and your cinnamon powder, and your sugar. And you're going to mix it up together. So I finished mixing in all my spices. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour in my raisin. You can put currants, you can put cherry, whatever fruits you want to put in your cross buns, you can put that. Or if you want, you can don't put none of the fruits inside of it. It's optional, right? So for the wet ingredients now, you're going to put in your vanilla essence, your 1 egg, some oil, and our warm milk with dry yeast. And you're going to mix this together, right? And form your dough. So you're going to do now, you're going to sprinkle a little flour. And then you're going to pour the dough onto your countertop. And you're going to knead your dough for about 5 to 10 minutes, alright? You're going to knead it for 5 to 10 minutes until it gets smooth. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I've been kneading my dough for about 8 minutes. So I'm going to form it into a ball now. I'm going to form it into a ball and they look like this. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use back this same pan here. So I can put back my dough into this pan. So when you finish putting this dough into the bowl, you're going to pour some oil on top of your dough like this. And then you're going to cover it. You can use a rag or you can use a cling wrap. I'm going to use a cling wrap and cover it for about 4 to 5 minutes to an hour. So we'll be back when it's double in size. So guys, as you can see, my dough is risen double in size. So you're gonna put some flour onto your countertop here. Then you're gonna take out your dough. Take out your dough. Sprinkle some more flour at the top. I don't know why I have on a long sleeve. Anyway, so you're gonna knead this for about a minute or so, and then you're gonna roll them out into balls. So guys, this is the ball here. So you're gonna do now, you want to make them into the small balls now. Alright, so what you're gonna do, You're gonna cut them. You're gonna cut them. Try to get them as even as possible. Okay guys, so as you can see I have 9 here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little flour and then you're gonna try to fold them in. Fold them in just like this. And then you're gonna put it into your pan. Alright, so guys, I rolled out into 9 balls. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to place them in my pan here. And give it a little space because you know it's going to rise, so you need a little space. Okay guys, so I get all them to hold in this pan here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get a cling wrap again and you're gonna wrap it like this, and then you're gonna let this rise for another 20 to 25 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so as you can see here, my cross buns double in size. So I'm going to take off the plastic top now. So I'm going to show you guys now how to make the cross. So my ingredients to making my cross, I'm going to use some flour here, some icing, sugar, and a little water. So you're going to mix them together. So you're going to put the icing, sugar into the flour, and then you're going to pour a little water, and then you're going to mix it up to form like a paste. So I've finished mixing my ingredients to make my cross. You see how the consistency is. So what I have here is a piping bag. So I'm going to pour the mixture over into the bag here. We'll be back. Okay guys, so now we're going to put our cross onto our buns. I have the mixture in here. I'm going to squeeze it down, holding the tip because I don't want it so I'm making my cross here, and I'm gonna make it one more time here. And I'm gonna cross it right over here just like this. Make another one. So it's just one of them cross and do properly at the beginning one there. Alright, so I'm going to put this to bake in my oven for about 20 to 24 minutes. So we'll be back. So guys, so while my cross buns is in the oven, we're going to make the glaze. So I just put 2 teaspoons of butter in my pan there. I'm going to put some sugar and a little bit of water. Mix it up together, alright? And we're gonna let it boil for about 2 minutes or so, and then we're getting a little thick, alright? We'll be there. So once your glaze starts bubbling up like that, it's finished. So I'm gonna turn off my stove now. Well, okay guys, so my cross buns is finished here. It's soft and nice. So we're gonna glaze it now. So you need to get a brush, but I find only the brush bottom alone for me. I don't know where the top is. So yeah, don't laugh at me. Anyway, so you're gonna take my half brush here and glaze the cross buns here. When you move is a bad thing. Half your stuff you can't even find. So I'm gonna be glazing all of the cross buns here. And I'm gonna let it cool for a bit. It looks so good. Can't wait to bite into them. Hey guys, so these are my finished cross buns here. This is how it's looking. It's soft and fluffy. Let me show you guys. It's soft and it's fluffy. I'm gonna cut one and let you guys see. So I just cut this one open. As you can see, it's very fluffy. So I'm gonna put a piece cheese inside of it and taste it and let you guys see. Hi guys, so I'm gonna taste my hot cross buns on camera that you guys see. I'm using my front camera because my tripod broke while I'm making my cross buns, so I don't know how these videos are gonna turn out now without a tripod. I'm Guyana, don't sell tripod for phone, so we'll see. Anyway, I'm going to taste my cross buns on camera. I just put my cheese inside of it. Yummy. It's so sweet, and then with the cheese it make it taste more better. Wow, you guys really need to try this cross buns recipe. It's really good. And you could drink this like with a cup of milk or whatever you want to eat with your cross buns. You can. I have on the fans. I think the fan might. Yeah, that was the fan just now. Anyway. I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, and I'm so happy that you guys have tried my recipe. I got a lot of message with that. And also I want to thank person that donated to my channel. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And also, if you guys like my video, I want you to give my video a thumbs up, and also keep on subscribing and share my video as well. And you can leave a comment down below or send me pictures on Facebook. Let me see how you guys cross buns came out. I like when people send me pictures. Alright, or even on Instagram you can send me pictures as well too. Alright, and I hope all my subscribers and everyone is safe out there, you know. Stay at home. I'm stuck at home and I'm fine with that. I'm so fine with that. Alright guys, take care and all the best for the Easter holiday. Alright, and happy Easter. I did this video early so you guys can make your cross buns early. Take care. Bye. Stay blessed guys and be safe out there.